Hello iPhone users, to use the magic wand in photos, I will tell you how to do that. Now for that, tap on any photo, right, which you have clicked from your particular phone or video, right. Now you have to tap on the edit. On top there is an option. You see you have to tap on adjust now there. So this is a video, so video is coming. Now the next option is adjust in the lower area, right. You see a wand there, the magic wand. You tap on that and you see the difference of your photo. The frames, the lighting and everything will be fixed automatically without you changing it. So the perfect lighting etc will come automatically if you tap on this magic wand, and this can work for videos and photos both. So this is a very quick amazing feature which you can use to instantly correct the lighting and everything, the overall exposure and dullness, everything in just one click. Magic wand. See, this flower photo looked bit dull, but now you see. And in this video also I'm going to show you what's the difference. So this might be very minor because there won't be much need of changing. So magic wand is automatically changing into the best version of the particular photo or video to show it and visibly beautiful and better version. That's how we do it. So next video, tada.